welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be breaking the 3x3x1 Rubik's Cube world record. Yeah. I did solve one before, but I'm going to be the first to break the record. Yeah. We even got a timer too. Let's solve this in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I first start doing the edges. Okay. I have to go to, okay, finally got the centers. Okay. Now we got all the corners completed. Now we're running out of time. We have to go. Oh, we're so close. Boom! 36 seconds! World record! Yeah. Well, I don't know if there's a world record for the Rubik's Cube 3x3x1. Hey Google, is there a world record for the 3x3x1 Rubik's Cube?
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Yeah, there's no record for the 3x3x1, but I'm finally the first to break the record! Yay! Like and subscribe if you love Rubik's Cubes. Bye!